guys! Good morning! This is Jan Uncle Vlog. So tayo po ay nandito sa may Elements guys. So tayo po ay pupunta dito guys. Dito sa may West Colon District guys. Sa may Cultural. So tayo po ay sisilip lang po dito guys. Tayo ay nagawi lang dito. Naligaw ng landas. So tara, samahan nyo din akong maligaw-ligaw. Joke lang. So let's go guys. Samahan niyo po ako today. So ito po ay papunta po ng harbor guys. Dito sa may Colon. Colon Harbor.
慢慢走，慢慢。
So ayan guys, nandito na po tayo. Mukhang may show dito sa may labas. So tara. Tara, manood muna tayo guys. Lapit tayo. Tara, 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 tara.
And now, my friend Bernard, watch this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm going to show you the grand finale, the best trick in my life. Let me explain what's going on very quick.
Right now, I will try to twist the ball on my finger like this, and I will try to put the ball balanced over the top of this stick. After that, I will spin it fast, 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 and then I will try to put it high, 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 until the end. This is 7 meters high, until over there. I will just put this stick over my head, without my head.
Wow.
Everybody, wow.
Wow.
What the hell is this?
Hey, it's a holiday. It's your show, not my show. I will put the stick over my head, without my head.
Wow.
Thanks for your quick reaction.
But the most important is, when I balance the stick, we all count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all together. I will throw the ball in the air and try to catch it
With my back.
So, when I do it, everybody go crazy. Say again. Sir, you take off your shirt.
Kid, you just run away, jump into the harbor for no reason. Just no, don't jump. It's a joke. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for stopping by. And right now, this is the grand finale for the last time. Every single body.
Are you ready?
I love you. Sorry. Just one more question. I saw there's a lot of kids here. May I know, just 1 minute. May I know, is there any small kid can help me to hold the stick like this? Put up your hand. Any small kid? Let me choose the smallest one. Any small kid? Put up your hand. Okay, come.
Everybody make some noise.
Okay, all you need to do is just hold it. Look forward. Smile. I love your smile. But please don't move. If you move, you die, I die, everyone die. Okay, you save the world. Don't move. Ladies and gentlemen, before I do my grand finale, can I just share one last little thing? My name is Liza from Hong Kong. I have to say, this is what I practiced for more than 10 years. This is my love, this is my passion, and also my job!
Yay!
As a street performer, West Kowloon didn't pay me to be here. I applied this area for my performance. But later on, it's still my job. I was just holding my back in the middle. If you enjoy the show, thank you for your support. But seriously, if you have no money, if you can't afford it, actually understand. Just stay and watch until the end. I'm not doing the show for the money. I'm doing the show for love. But I love money. At the end of the show, I prepare some very nice souvenir for you all. For example, some people, if you give me 20, I go home happy. But some people, if you give me 100, I will go home very, very happy. But at the same time, I will also give you back a very nice mini football for souvenir if you give me 100. I'm not pushing everyone to buy this because if you buy Element, they charge you over 100 already, and they will not be your show. If you like my show, if you cannot afford it, thank you very much. By the way, sir, thanks for coming on my show. You are my type. If you give me 500, I go home with you. And make you very, very happy. Sorry, kid, what's your name? Sorry? Xavier. How old are you? Wow, Xavier, only 5 years old. Everybody clap for Xavier. Xavier, you know what? When I was your age, I was also 5. This is my favorite joke. Xavier, can you give me one finger like this? Put it up. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time this little boy Xavier won't take on the street. When he do the trick, everybody please clap and cheer to make him feel like a superstar. Wait.
If you see someone didn't clap, go and punch him, okay? No. It's a joke.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not here to only show you the trick. I'm here to make everyone happy. I think this is the best time you make the kid happy. So everybody, let's get ready. When he do it, everybody in 3, 2, 1, make some noise!
Everybody clap for this Xavier. You know what? You are doing very good, and I'm gonna give you $20. This is your first salary in your life. That means you can go to buy some ice cream or chocolate or coffee. But Xavier, I will give you anyway. But promise me the last thing. Where's your daddy, mommy? Where's your owner? Okay, look at your auntie. Always listen to your auntie. Study hard, stick at school, go to university. Okay? And then one day you can become like me, work on the street. You guys laugh, I'm serious. So Xavier, you are doing very good. This is what you deserve. And now go back to your auntie. Go.
Hey, Xavier! Last question.
Do you like my show? Are you happy? Yeah? So, what will you do? Please don't smile. No. I won't do it because you make the perfect example for everybody. If you make them happy, you deserve it. I'm gonna give you one more thing, Xavier. You know what? I'm gonna give you a very nice mini football when I sold for 100. But you can only choose one. Which one you want? Football or the ball? 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Everybody make some noise!
Xavier, you know what? I think you make all the people happy, you deserve more. Well, I will sign my name on the football. Maybe you feel so ridiculous why I damaged the ball. It's okay. As I said, my name is Liza. You can search on Google. I am Hong Kong freestyle football champion. Okay, nobody cares. It's alright. Okay, what you deserve? And believe your dream and never give up. Okay, as I said, you make all the people happy. I think you deserve one more ice cream as well. So you can go. Okay.
Everybody make some noise!
Xavier, stand here. Think about for everybody. Think about. Okay, now you do me the last favor. Just get out. It's my show. Get out.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for stopping the show, but this is the best part. I like to interact with the kids. This is live show, not TikTok, not YouTube. So right now, this is the grand finale. Everybody, please give me back all your energy for the last time. Every single body. Are you ready?
Yeah! Perfect. I think, wait. I think this side is not bad. This side is perfect. This side is a bit silence. One more time.
This side, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Everybody watch. This is my last finale. The best trick in my life. Hope you like it. Here we go. I can't believe that I make a show under the sun, 30 minutes alone. Thank you for stopping by. Can you guys clap for yourself? Thank you very much. Without you guys, I can't make the show happen. Thank you very much. Here you go. Wow, I feel very nervous. And can somebody say, you can do it?
You can do it!
Thank you. I try my best. Can somebody say, I will give you 500? Thank you, kid. Right? Everybody, look at this. Let me balance it. I have only one chance, one opportunity. Can everybody just do me a small favor? Everybody, put your hands up. Okay, put your hands up. Everybody, hands up. Everybody, please, with me. Everybody, slow clap. Louder. Clap. Everybody, clap like this. Louder. No one laugh anymore. Hey, nobody move! If you move, I will follow you home and do the same show again. Before you go, I just want to share one last thing. Wait. Just one last thing, I'll let you go. First of all, my name is Lyson. This is so hot today. You guys will stay until the end. It's me respect. Without you guys, I can't make the show happen. So let me take a bow for you all. Thank you, West Kowloon. Thank you, Hong Kong. My name is Lyson. 我講到話講埋咗一句。我2014開始做交流表演咧 ，suppose 今年都係第10年。但係其實我2018之後咧冇乜點解香港做交流表演，香港做交流表演好多唔同嘅限制啊，跟住俾人投訴，之後俾人講，跟住就疫情咗幾年啦，所以我一路都喺外國嗰度做。
So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog. This is John ng Vlog at laging nagsasabi tayo laging mag-iingat sa ating paggala. Bye bye and God bless everyone. Bye!